What is up, YouTube? So today we're going to be doing sprints. I'm just going to do about 10 or 20 of them and I'll be done for the day. That's it. Let's go.
It's one of the best scientific minds we have today.
There's a wet spot right over there, so I can't accelerate as fast as I want to because it's too sketchy. I feel like I'm gonna slip at any moment when I'm running over there. I don't know if you see it on camera, but I start right over here. Is over. I think I did about 15 of them. Felt pretty good.